We love this Wye River home because we're surrounded with open ocean views and trees and just beautiful, peaceful landscape. And it's got that holiday home feel, but it's just a wonderful permanent home. This project was very unique to us because we built and cut into a cliff face. And because we did that, it wasn't like the usual suburban build. We had coordination and access considerations to make. And the most important thing for us completely was making sure that we had unobstructed views from everywhere in the house, but especially in the kitchen. There's a lot of indoor-outdoor living, so everything is connected to the environment that we're living in, but it still feels refined but warm. Well, since we built, we've been lucky enough to win quite a few awards. There was Master Builders Award, there was a Necker Award, there was a CEDIA Award for design as well. The Schweigen ceiling cassette was a great choice because it means that I can have uninterrupted views and I can enjoy the conversation with whoever's here, and whoever's cooking, which is usually me, doesn't have to turn around all the time and come back all the time. It's lovely and clear. And because the motor is on the roof, it means that everything is silent. It very much supports everyday living because it's very powerful and silent. It takes care of all the steam, smoke, cooking odours, airborne grease. It means that I don't have to keep wiping cabinets, and the filters are dishwasher safe. So everything's very, very simple, and it just keeps the house and, more importantly, the family healthy. The home automation system was in our initial design, and we included in that the doors, the lights, the TV, and the Rangehood. Alexa, turn on Rangehood lights. There you go. Well, I think this home is all about connectivity. It's connection to family and friends, it's connection to all the self-automation, and at the end of the day, it's connection to the environment.